Why is it important to check the seating of the seal after placing the bowl? A properly seated wax or rubber seal is the difference between a permanently dry bathroom and a slow leak that ruins subfloors and wastes water. Start by confirming the flange is flush with the finished floor and that the seal sits evenly centered on the flange. If the flange is damaged or too low, raise it with a flange extender or use a thicker wax ring and replace the flange before seating the bowl. When lowering the bowl, align the closet bolts with the bowl slots. Then press straight down with even pressure until the bowl compresses the seal and the base contacts the floor. Avoid rocking the bowl side to side while compressing because that can smear the seal and create gaps. After seating, apply gentle downward pressure and then rock the bowl slightly front to back and side to side to feel for engagement. You should feel resistance but no lateral movement once the bolts are tightened. Tighten the nuts evenly in alternating turns to maintain even compression. Over-tightening will crack porcelain and under-tightening leaves gaps where water can escape. Finally, run a meter or two of clear water into the bowl and inspect the base and the joint visually for any moisture, then retighten if you see a bead of water forming. The three most common mistakes are setting the bowl on an off-level flange causing an incomplete seal, over-tightening nuts that crack the porcelain or compress the seal unevenly, and failing to inspect for small gaps that lead to slow leaks. If the flange is low or broken, use a flange extender or replace the flange before installing the seal so the seal can compress evenly and sit flat. If the nuts are over-tightened, loosen them, reseat the bowl with even pressure, and tighten incrementally and alternately until snug but not forced. If you skip the visual and tactile check, you can miss a hairline gap. Press down firmly, wiggle gently to confirm engagement, and visually inspect the narrow gap between the flange and bowl edge to make sure there is continuous contact. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for projects and allows contractors to find work and connect with potential clients. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from other homeowners and tradespeople.